everyone! Each year around Valentine's Day, love is in the air. So when your customers are browsing Google products, you may want to point out how Google hardware can make a far more heartfelt gift than a boring box of chocolates. Let me show you. This is Google Home Max, and it's a great gift for customers who love big, sweet, room-filling sound. Let's say your Valentine strolls into the room, and you want to set a romantic mood. Just say, "Okay Google, play my Totes Emotes playlist on Google Play Music."
Okay, playing your Totes Emotes playlist on Google Play Music.
Google Home Max is not just another pretty speaker. It uses machine learning to automatically adjust the equalizer settings to match the acoustics of any room. This gives you balanced sound wherever you put it. Here, there, anywhere. Plus, using only your voice, you have over 40 million songs at your command. Play your favorites from music streaming services like YouTube Music and Google Play Music. And like all Google Home speakers, Max gives you hands-free help from the Google Assistant. Ask it questions, tell it to do things for you, manage your schedule, set reminders, and even control compatible smart home devices. The Assistant now works with over 225 home control brands and more than 1,500 devices. Hey Google, what song is this? Google Home is perfect for multiple rooms. The Google Home Mini is ideal in the kitchen, especially when your customers are whipping up a cozy meal for their lasagna-loving boo. Just say, "Hey Google, find me a lasagna recipe."
Okay, I've got a lasagna recipe called World's Best Lasagna.
Hey Google, how many tablespoons in a cup? Okay Google, go back to step 5. And there you have it, the perfect lasagna, prepared with completely free hands and a loving heart. Lasagna? Yum, am I right? With Google Pixel Buds wireless headphones and Pixel, you can do even more without looking at your phone, like real-time translation in 40 languages. Say your customer wants to chat with a traveler from Spain. To launch Google Translate, simply touch and hold your right earbud and say, "Okay Google, help me speak Spanish." Your earphones hear you, and your Pixel speaker will play the translation in another language. When the other person replies, you'll hear the translation right in your ear. Let's try it. Hola! Help me speak Spanish. Hello, how's your Valentine's Day going?
Hola, ¿cómo va tu día de San Valentín?
Todo bien. Alguien me dio esta rosa, pero me hace estornudar.
All good. Someone gave me this rose, but it makes me sneeze.
Speaking of the Pixel 2, for Valentine shoppers, you'd be wise to mention its industry-leading camera that works especially well in intimate, low-light situations. Google likes to call it the best smartphone camera in the world. I call it the ultimate gift for your Valentine. Thanks for watching, and consider yourself ready for your customers' Valentine shopping season. Now go share the love and make sure to check back next month.